This image cost me $0 to shoot. And this is what AI turned it into in 30 seconds. Look, here's the truth nobody talks about. Professional camera movements, dolly shots, crane shots, those smooth cinematic orbits, used to require thousands of dollars in equipment. I'm talking gimbals, drones, sliders, and someone who actually knows how to use them. But what if I told you there's a free AI tool that gives you over 50 Hollywood-style camera movements from a single image? Let me show you exactly how it works. The tool is called Higgsfield AI, founded by the former head of generative AI at Snapchat. This isn't some random startup. They've raised over $58 million and have 11 million users. But here's what makes it different from every other AI video tool. Most AI tools generate generic, wobbly videos. Higgsfield gives you precise control over camera movement. We're talking dolly shots, smooth forward and backward movements, crane shots, dramatic up and down sweeps, orbital movements, rotating around your subject, FPV drone simulation, those insane flying shots, even bullet time effects, like The Matrix. Okay, but how do you actually use this? Here's the step-by-step. Step 1, upload your image. Go to higgsfield.ai, sign up for free, and upload any image. Product photo, landscape, portrait, anything works. Step 2, choose your camera movement. This is where the magic happens. You'll see a panel with 50+ camera presets. Want that dramatic push-in effect? Click it. Want an aerial crane shot? One click. Step 3, generate and download Hit Generate. In about 30 seconds, you get a 5 to 10-second cinematic video clip. And here's the best part. You get 40 free credits every single day. That's roughly 8 to 10 videos per day without paying anything. Now you might be thinking, cool, but where would I actually use this? Product videos. Turn boring product photos into cinematic showcases, thumbnails that move. Yes, for YouTube, preview, animations. Social media hooks. Those first 3 seconds that stop the scroll B-roll footage. When you don't have time to shoot real video, I've been testing this for my own content, and the engagement difference is noticeable. Movement captures attention, period. But I have to be honest with you, it's not perfect. The clips are short, 5 to 10 seconds max. And sometimes the AI misinterprets complex images. Also, if you need longer videos or cross-platform repurposing, you'll need different tools like Opus Clip or Capwing. But for what it does, turning static images into cinematic clips, nothing else comes close. So here's my challenge to you. Go try Higgsfield right now. Take your most boring image and see what it creates. Drop a comment below showing me your before and after. I'll feature the best ones in my next video. And if you want to see how I'm using AI tools to create an entire content system, watch this video next.